Dance now. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mal, come on. You can't see up there. Come on. Come on. Watch you don't fall down. Come here. Here. Come here. Come here, I'll catch you. Oh! No! Richard, you'll be on television. You want to be on television? No! Richard, they can't see over here from over there. Come on over here.
Hey, you're racing!
Don't take me. You already got a whole mess of me. Would you turn the camera around, please?
Come on. Come on, we'll go take a walk with them. We'll go for a walk.
Oh, that's my favorite food. Pizza. Food.
Go for a walk.
Ooh, really, ooh.
You want to smell the flower?
Yeah.
Smell the flower. Smell.
There's a lot of
Get down there, her. Come here. Here, you can fall over. You want to come this one? Here.
Hey. Hi.
Roll over. Yay! Look, Richie did it. Watch Richie. Watch Richie. Now you do it. No, watch Richie do it. Watch Richie. Yeah, that's it. Woo!
Pull down your dress.
Alright, watch, Rich. You want to stand on your head?
Yeah.
Alright, see if you can do it.
I can't do it. Put me on my feet. No! Hey! Can I do it? Can I do it?
You do it. Go ahead.
Can I do it?
Alright, do it.
I can't do it. Can you help me?
Watch Richard. Hold your hand like that. Alright, well, there you go. Now hold, put straight, straight, straight.
Back me. This is a flip. Back me. Back me.
Don't they have a play area for the kids around here?
Yeah.
They go pool?
Mm-hmm.
Do they? You can go in the pool?
We didn't get the thing.
Oh. Yeah, I'd be there. Is that for a family? For the whole family?
I think for two.
Mom is taking you.
Don't take me. Take you. Take him. Mal! Come here.
Come on.
Jump. Come on.
Hi, Skippy. Hi, Skippy.
Well, we walk around here and see what's there.
Yeah, we can take pictures there.
Yeah, you did it! You did it good that time. Yeah, you did it!
Honey bunny. Yes, honey bunny. Honey bunny. Smile.
Richard, don't play on the boat. Here comes the car. Okay. Don't let on the boat. I don't care, don't let on the boat.
All he's getting is her. All he's getting is her.
Yeah.
That's a nice shot.
Yeah. Get up, Mel. You playing?
I'm dizzy.
Well, these are such nice memories to recapture when you're so little like that, you know?
All right, let's go up and put it on tape.
Why are you upside down?
Close up more. Not me, them. Close up more of her. Of her. Close up more of her. Cut it out. Richard. Look at Uncle Daniel, Mel.
You and her.
Make a funny face. Make a funny. Look at Uncle Daniel. Look at him.